Hey everyone, welcome back to letfly.com. Today, we're diving into one of the essential pieces of gear every outdoor enthusiast should consider: the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove. This little stove has been making waves in the camping community for its compact size, powerful performance, and ease of use. Stick around as we explore what makes it a must-have for your next adventure. Here are some key details about the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe. It weighs just 2.9 ounces, 83 grams, making it incredibly lightweight and ideal for backpacking trips where every ounce counts. Its compact design fits snugly into any backpack without taking up much space. The stove operates with a variety of fuel canisters, providing flexibility depending on your location and fuel preference. Setting it up is a breeze. Just unfold the pot supports, attach your fuel canister, and you're ready to cook. Now, let's talk performance. The MSR PocketRocket Deluxe boasts a quick and reliable ignition system. In just a few seconds, you'll have a steady flame adjustable for rapidly simmering or boiling water. During my testing, I found it excels in boiling times, bringing water to a rolling boil in under 3 minutes in calm conditions. It's efficient too, maximizing fuel usage to minimize refueling stops on longer trips. Like any gear, it has its pros and cons. On the positive side, its lightweight and compact size make it perfect for solo backpackers or small groups. The adjustable flame control is a nice touch for precise cooking needs. On windy days, however, you might notice some challenges with wind resistance affecting flame consistency. It's also worth considering your fuel needs on extended trips, as smaller canisters may require more frequent replacement. In conclusion, the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe is a game changer for anyone who prioritizes efficiency and reliability in their outdoor cooking gear. Whether you're trekking through the backcountry or enjoying a weekend camping trip, its performance and portability make it a standout choice. If you're interested in learning more about the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe or other outdoor gear reviews, be sure to subscribe to letfly.com and check out the links in the description for additional research. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more adventures and gear reviews coming your way. Until next time, happy trails and happy cooking.